Curious friends, did you know there's an insect that can taste with its feet, see secret flower patterns, and tell its friends where food is by dancing? It sounds like something from a superhero movie, but it's actually a bee. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible honeybee facts that might surprise even grown-ups. Stay until the end because one of these facts is so strange you might not believe it's real. Let's buzz right in.
We also made some really fun worksheets, so check out the description box and ask your parents to download.
Fact number 1, there are thousands of bees. When people think of bees, they usually picture honeybees. But did you know there are around 20,000 different kinds of bees around the world? Only a small number of these species are actually honeybees. The most common honeybee is called the western honeybee. That's a lot of bee cousins. Can you imagine trying to count 20,000 bees? Fact number 2, a hive is like a busy city. Honeybees don't live alone. They live together in a large group called colonies or hives. One hive can be as many as 60,000 bees living together. That's more people than in many towns. Every bee has an important job to help the hive survive. Fact number 3, the queen bee. Every hive has one queen bee. The queen is the largest bee in the colony, and her most important job is laying eggs. During busy seasons, she can lay up to 2,000 eggs in just one day. That's more eggs than many chickens lay in their entire lifetime. Wow! Fact number 4, worker bees do almost everything. Most of the bees in a hive are worker bees. All worker bees are female. Some take care of baby bees. Some clean the hive. Some gather food. Others help protect the colony. Worker bees are incredibly busy from sunrise to sunset. Give yourself a little bee buzz if you think that's a lot of work. In fact, to celebrate all of the hard work of these worker bees, we made a little song. Take a listen.
Work's never done for worker bees, oh no. They do so much for you and me, oh yeah. The female bees work so hard for the hive. Gather food, protect the young so they survive. But be careful, they can hurt and sting you, buzzing through the trees, making honey.
So what did you think, friends? Did you like our song about the worker bee? Now let's move on to our incredible facts. Fact number 5, drones have a different job. Male bees are called drones. Unlike worker bees, drones do not have stingers. Their main job is to help the hive by mating with queens. Every bee has a different role that helps the colony succeed. It's teamwork at its finest. Fact number 6, bees have 5 eyes. Get ready for a surprising one. Honeybees have 5 eyes. They have 2 large eyes on the sides of their head. Then they have 3 smaller eyes on top of their head. These extra eyes help them sense light and navigate their world. Would you like to have 5 eyes? I think buying sunglasses would get pretty expensive. Fact number 7, bees build amazing honeycombs. Have you ever seen a honeycomb? It's made up of lots of tiny 6-sided shapes called hexagons. This special shape helps bees store honey and pollen while using less wax. Nature's engineers knew exactly what they were doing. Look around your room. Can you spot anything else shaped like a hexagon? Fact number 8, bees can see secret flower signs. Many flowers have different patterns that humans can't see, but bees can. Honeybees see an ultraviolet light. These secret patterns act like arrows pointing bees towards nectar. It's almost like flowers are putting up glowing signs that say, "Free snacks this way!" Fact number 9, bees talk with dances. How do bees tell their friends where flowers are? They dance! A bee can perform something called a waggle dance. This special dance tells other bees which direction to fly and how far away the flowers are. Imagine if you told your friends where the playground was by dancing instead of talking. That would be pretty funny. And finally, fact number 10. Bees are super important. Here's our final fact. Honeybees help pollinate many fruits, vegetables, and wild plants. As bees move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they help plants make seeds and grow. Without bees, many of the foods we enjoy would be harder to grow. That's why bees are some of the most important insects on Earth. Let's see how many facts you remember. How many eyes does a bee have? What shape is a honeycomb? What is a bee dance called? Tell me your answers in the comments. Make sure you click the link in our description box to head over to download our activities that are related to bees. If you enjoyed learning about bees today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Bzzz.